Are you in search of reliable and high-performance battery solutions for your diverse energy needs? Look no further than the new range of LiFePo4 battery packs available on Aliexpress, with options ranging from 12 volts to 48 volts and capacities of 100 Ah, 200 Ah, 280 Ah, and 400 Ah. These lithium iron phosphate batteries are engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and longevity. Whether you're utilizing the 48 volts 100 Ah, 24 volts 100 Ah for your boat, or the 48 volts 200 Ah battery pack, optimal charging is essential for maximizing battery life. These LiFePo4 battery packs are designed with built-in battery management systems (BMS) that ensure safe and efficient charging, helping to extend the lifespan of your batteries. The versatility of these battery packs makes them ideal for a wide range of applications. Whether you're powering HD digital cameras, laptops, remote controls, game controllers, or other electronic devices, the 48 volts 200 Ah battery pack provides a dependable power source to keep your devices running smoothly. Additionally, the 24 volts 100 Ah lithium battery for boats offers the convenience of an AC power source, allowing you to recharge the battery and maintain its cleanliness for prolonged use. The new LiFePo4 battery packs from Aliexpress offer a reliable and versatile power solution for a wide range of applications. Whether you need a 48 volts 100 Ah lithium phosphate battery for extended power supply, a 24 volts 100 Ah lithium battery for your boat, or a 48 volts 200 Ah battery pack for powering electronic devices, these battery packs are designed to meet your energy needs with efficiency and reliability.